Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2 Girls, 1 Cup episode of Tommy Bird. Now, Thomas, please explain to us exactly what's going to happen here.
We have a bet, and the bet is if I watch this whole movie and don't throw up, and you're probably sick of me throwing up. I am. Okay, if I don't throw up this whole movie, Spike and Biggie he's gonna give me a Monster, Spike's gonna give me a Coke. Now, if I do throw up through this movie,
then me and Spike get to have him do whatever we want him to do if he throws up. Let's see what happens.
Yes. Now, for basic reasons, considering this is a YouTube video, we are not going to show you 2 Girls, 1 Cup. We are merely going to show you Dipshit's reaction. So sit back and enjoy.
oh my God! Oh, fuck! Oh my God! That's just fucking wrong in every single fucking way! Is that it?
You fucking survived?
That's it?
He's gonna start it over again?
Wait. That shit was funny. How to play this thing?
You gotta be kidding me. Hit refresh.
Where is that?
Refresh. That.
This?
Not the stop, the green one. Now hit play, you butt clit.
Watch it. Oh, shit.
If he wanted to puke it regardless,
What is wrong?
just think about the manicotti.
Or bird shit.
Oh, fuck, that's cheating. Oh, God.
Yeah. I caught it gross.
Don't fight it.
Oh my God! Why am I watching it again?
Because we're hoping you puke.
He's gonna do it again! What the fuck?
I want to puke!
It's a fucking puke!
Bird shit. Manicotti. Nice, bloody bird shit.
You son of a bitch!
I guess we owe him a Coke and a Monster.
Hey, Mom, can I have a Coke, please? I want some more manicotti, for real. Why are you smiling, bitch? Oh, that's just shitty, man.
Do I give him a Coke?
How about a shitty job?
You owe a monster in you owe a
You
Coke.
owe him a Coke. There's your Coke.
That's just fucking weird, dude. Popcorn.
No more.
Just one more.
Okay, if you puke during this one, then the bet is off.
I'm hoping he pukes, man. Give me something to work with here.
Oh, dude, like he's just pooping the cup. And they're licking it. Swallow that shit.
I can't even see it, and I'm getting sick just thinking about it.
So am I, okay? I can actually say I made it through once without...
Sean, what the hell?
No, I'm not looking.
She sticks her finger out and she throws up in the girl's mouth. That's hot. Or...
Do it!
Oh my god!
Do it! Do it! Do it! Puke! 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 Puke!
Ain't that some shit?
Literally.
Oh, come on, damn it.
I got a strong stomach. And I watched it 4 times in a row. Now I'm about to faint.
Puke!
No, because I don't want a monster. But I will puke if I get my monster still.
You're going to have to wait.
Fuck it. Give him his fucking monster.
I don't have a monster right now.
I want to see him fucking puke.
I've been saying this for the first fucking one. Yeah, if you need...
And that's how I sound on my first one. Well, you would agree with him if he saw 2 girls in one cup.
Nasty shit.
Would you like to see what 2 girls in one cup is about? Good. You don't.
I think I got it all out, dude.
Bird shit.
Yummy, yummy bird shit with a little bit of blood. Smearing all over a woman. Have you seen the funnier version of 2 girls in one cup?
Shut up.
No, there's a funny version. It's called 2 guys in one cup, and they use chocolate ice cream.
Shut up.
I'm just trying to make him think more.
It worked!
You'll get your monster, but you did puke. So the deal stands.
We'll see.
Ugh. The deal does stand.
So,
Oh no! No! The deal does stand. You have